hell up? Who you fell in love with? Huh?
I'm lit, bitch. Hey,
you talking? What's she talking about, man? What's she talking about? You know you gonna lose it.
No, I'm not.
Goofa.
I'm still going crazy on them like a coloring book.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
H2BTV.
I know you see
Wait, don't we supposed to have food
will
out
see
right now?
me without her.
Don't all the food
Cause
supposed to
he
be out right now?
the headless
Don't all the food supposed
honcho.
to be out right now?
He
Don't all the food supposed to be out
Wizard
right now?
Kelly, y'all.
Get them out.
So y'all, something done leaked in the bag.
Yeah, something done leaked in the country, but something done leaked in the bag.
So y'all, we got some stuff from Dairy Queen.
Y'all remember this? Remember this?
Got a chili cheese dog. So this is gonna be a Dairy Queen mukbang. We never had Dairy Queen before. There's not that many Dairy Queens in Florida. So
But
we
we
realized one was by our house. We had to get some Dairy Queens. And then this is chicken BLT. Stop.
Sour.
Stop. This is a chicken BLT. So we're both gonna try these
You better tighten up.
in
I'm a prank her
in the freezer.
Goofa. I'm Goofa. That's Pinata. Focus. Okay.
Yo, you annoying.
Girl, tighten up. Say that again. I'm gonna say something to you behind. We about to taste this chili dog.
I haven't eaten hot dogs in a long time, y'all.
Bro, you pump fake.
But I only eat turkey dogs and like chicken dogs. What you talking
That's a
about?
hot dog.
Kind of good, y'all.
Let me taste it. Let me be the judge of that.
It would have been real good hot. It's kind of warm. I need to make turkey dogs, y'all, like with turkey.
Oh my goodness, don't make them.
With turkey, chili and turkey dogs.
Hey, this chili dog good. It's better than the Super Bowl.
Be quiet. You don't know my chili dog would be good.
I said, yes, this chili dog good. It's better than the Super Bowl. It was better than what the Super Bowl
No, you
was.
said to me just before that, don't make it then. Oh my god.
Nobody want no turkey? Oh yeah, I did say that. Hey, but yeah, the Super
You
Bowl.
eating turkey spaghetti?
That Super Bowl was
And he be tearing it up, y'all.
wickedy whack.
Especially the halftime.
I mean, it was. First of all,
On that chili dog, we only got chili and cheese.
First of all, the Ravens and Action Jackson was supposed to be in the Super Bowl. Now that would have been a raw Super Bowl. Like when I say raw, that thing would have been gangster. But that's neither here nor there.
This is a chicken BLT, y'all. Oh no, chicken bacon sandwich, and they got tomato on it. I'm gonna try with tomato on it, but I don't really like tomato. I don't really mess with it like that, so I'm probably just gonna bite it one time and then take the tomato off.
See, Brandy don't want to talk about the Super Bowl because her behind lost money.
I did.
Goofball, she's a goofy. That girl betted on the 49ers and lost money.
To some 5-year-olds.
Whoa, to some 5-year-olds.
I'm just kidding, y'all.
Y'all hear that? She called y'all 5-year-olds. Dang.
It was to my niece and nephew. They're in high school. But they was going for the Chiefs, and I was like, okay, let's make this interesting.
Hey, this jump pretty good. I thought the 49ers was gonna win though. I got to meet a couple Hall of Famers at my job. I'm not lying.
I didn't even say that. Did you see what I said?
So what you said?
Did you see my mouth?
I see that stuff that's on your mouth. Big mouth.
Did you?
Big drip. I fell in love with a lit bitch. Hey. Bow. They loving the style.
We gotta get to this dessert, y'all.
Send me that Addy, I'm holding it down. Bow.
myself a spoon.
What? See that, y'all? Oh! What happened? Something happened?
What you did?
What did I do?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. My neck. My back. My neck. My back.
Y'all, I've never had a banana split.
For real?
Before.
Oh, you gonna eat that shit after? You like it?
Yeah.
My turn.
Why you all on my side?
Because all of the sides are different. This the black, red, and yellow. I gotta get some of the yellow side. Oh, no wonder why you don't like it. It's tangy on this side. Still good. Man, it's a big piece of strawberry. God damn. Oh, that's a banana. Girl, you better calm down.
He not the brightest of the batch. He really not.
I'm brighter than you. Hey, y'all, I'm brighter than her. At least I know my times tables. At least I know my times tables.
Get away from me with your mouth. Wipe your mouth. Well, I need to know my times tables for. I passed 3rd grade. Now I got a calculator on my phone. Who cares?
Your phone? Her phone, no. But she don't. I forgot what movie I get that from. These are my
I'm pretty sure
tables.
I know my times tables.
All right. This kid's favorite one right here. Kids love to say this one. When they think they so smart,
What they be saying?
they love this one right here. What's 12 times 12? What's 12 times 12 then? What's 12 times 12?
Isn't it 144?
Okay, she know her time. Jits love saying. People,
Do they really?
when I was a jit, that was the main. Like, if you ask somebody randomly and you in school, they be like, "Oh, you don't know your time today?" Or anything like, you know how to do multiplication? Or they be like, "Oh, I'm good at multiplication." All right, what's 12 times 12? 12 times 12. I know what 12 times 12 is. 144. Or they always do 5 times 5.
You dumb.
Or 10 times 10. They always do, this is what they always do. They always do the number that's the same number. They don't never do what's 12 times 15, what's 12 times 9.
Which is harder.
Yeah, it's always, what's 12 times 12? What's 11 times 11? What's 10 times 10? 3 times 3. They always do that. Close it up and put it in the freezer. I can eat it, baby.
Yeah, close it up and put it in the freezer. I can eat it later.
You ever seen somebody do this?
Talking about me though.
You see somebody do that? They either can't fight
Boy.
or they just a crazy fighter. This right here. If you was in school, if you was legit in school, they just be like this. So you gonna punch me with both your hands? You gonna punch me with both your hands? You gonna foul me with both? You gonna punch me with both your hands? What, you gonna punch me with both your hands? That's all of it?
No. Why mama put out all of it?
Why mama?
Why am I gonna pull out? Sorry.
Why mama put out all of it?
Sometimes y'all, when I talk really fast, my words run into each other. So I be saying other words that don't sound like they make sense, or I sound country. That's why I sound country.
Oh, Heat Hershey. Heat Hershey. Oh, this thing good. Ain't it got the crunch with it too?
Bit with hey.
Yeah, it's getting cold in Florida. I know it don't mean nothing to y'all when we say that it's like 60 degrees down here. But y'all gotta realize, this is why it's cold. Florida is a windy place.
Break it down.
So let's think about this.
Break it down.
If you from somewhere else where it gets much colder, let's say it's 40 degrees, whatever,
Break it down.
and there's no wind, you're not as cold. Now, if it is wind, it's gonna be 40, but feel like 20. So that's why it be so cold in Florida. If it's 50 degrees outside, it feel like 40. So I don't want to hear no more about y'all. Oh, it ain't even that cold. It don't even get cold down there. Oh, it don't even snow down there.
Hey, you wanna know what's funny? I can't eat no more.
Big drip. I fell in love with a lick.
Hey,
Hey.
Hey.
You fell in love with who? Who you fell in love with? Huh? Who you fell in love with? Go ahead, tell them. Who you fell in love with? Go ahead, tell them. Who you fell in love with? Huh?
A lit bitch. Hey.
Hey, you talking? What's she talking about, man? What's she talking about?
Hun,
What is they?
we dumb.
Wow, what happened?
That one was the brownie that we was eating. This one's snickerdoodle.
Okay.
Cause you can tell, cause this don't got no brown
Hershey.
stuff in
Yeah,
it.
ain't got no Hershey. It just taste like cinnamon toast crunch. And they got cinnamon toast crunch ice cream at the store.
I'm the one that showed you that.
I'm the one that told you that. Throw you back. If you keep playing, I'm gonna hit you with the pros of that.
Which one you like better?
The first one.
I like this one better.
Cause you like cinnamon toast crunch. I'm not a big cinnamon toast crunch fan.
Phil.
In love with a little bit. Hey,
He gonna be so annoyed with us. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not.
Not.
Let us know if you got a Dairy Queen by you. And what's the best stuff to get?
And Dairy Queen we went to, they don't serve fried stuff. Yeah, they don't serve fried stuff.
I just seen that my friend, well, our friend. Sorry, y'all.
Your friend what?
Oh, our friend posted on YouTube just now, like an hour ago. Y'all should go check out his channel. He do music videos, he do challenges, skits, all that. And we probably gonna collab with him soon. He just posted a music video right here. Go check out his YouTube channel. Anyways, y'all, thank you for subscribing. If you like our videos, if you've been showing appreciation, helping us out, big thanks to you guys. If you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, you should go ahead and do so. And also like the video. Comment if you have some comments, and we'll see y'all in the next video. This is
H2BTV, and we would.
We're starting off.
It's a brand, baby. Follow the brand. If you ain't down with us now, you gonna be down with us later.
Bye, y'all.
Salute for everything on my right hand.
I gotta sneeze. I look cute, y'all.
Do she?
I'm giving y'all graduation pictures, realness, 8th grade, maybe even senior pictures.
Man, y'all better like her or else I'm gonna come to your front door.
Alright, y'all.
Kick it
Bye.
in, bring in a 4-4.
Bye, y'all.
That's the way it go.
Hi.
You better like her picture or else, nigga. You better like it. I'm that dude behind you, watching you, making sure you like her pictures. Cause if you don't, I'ma like your pictures. And if I like your pictures, that's not good. Hood. That's how I stood. With the wood. Metal in the good.
I'ma make it down with love.
Hey,
Bro, you was
so.
drilling your toe like you really stepping on my toe, bruh.
What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it?
You know you gonna lose this, right?
No, I'm not. Dang, your head is so ow, it's hurting.
I see you learned the forehead style.
You're in my eye now.
It's time for me to take over.